Hello everyone, let's dive into the Gateron Baby Kangaroo 2.0 switches. These are 5-pin, heavy tactile switches designed for mechanical keyboards, and they come factory pre-lubed. The first thing you notice is the vibrant green color of the switch core, set against a high-transparency poly-light upper cover. They give a really nice aesthetic. These switches have a 59 GF actuation force, which puts them in the medium-heavy category. The tactile bump is quite pronounced, offering a satisfying feedback with each key press. The 22mm dual stage spring contributes to a responsive and consistent feel. The factory lubrication is a definite plus. It makes the switch feel smooth right out of the box, reducing any scratchiness that can sometimes be present in unlubricated switches. This also contributes to a quieter typing experience compared to some other tactile switches. The construction seems solid. The 3-layer thickened pins provide enhanced stability when mounting the switches on the PCB. The use of antioxidant alloy contacts and a double-section gold-plated spring should ensure a long lifespan and reliable performance. These switches are normally open and use surface mount. These switches are compatible with MX mechanical keyboards, making them a versatile option for a wide range of builds. Whether you're a gamer or a typist, the tactile feedback and smooth operation of the Baby Kangaroo 2.0 switches could be a great fit. If you're looking for a tactile switch with a pronounced bump, smooth feel, and durable construction, the Gateron Baby Kangaroo 2.0 is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.